Hi guys, in the day 6 we will learn about loops in the JavaScript. Loops are very important in the programming. Every programming have a loop chapter and you should learn a loop in the programming because many functionality you can get using loop structure. So in the JavaScript in the day 6 we will learn about loop, different types of loop I will discuss with you, and I also provide different exercises related to loop, and I also provide assignment for your practice to work on the loop. So this is the outline for the day 6 looping in the JavaScript. First of all, we will learn about basically what is loop and different types of loop I will discuss with you. One of them is a for loop, and problem related to for loop I'll share with you, and I also provide solution for that problem, and assignment related to for loop that you have to complete that assignment, and then while loop and problem related to while loop, assignment related to while loop I will share with you, and then do while loop and problem related to do while loop, and then assignment related to do while loop. So these are different topics we will cover in the day 6. Don't miss any lecture. It have very importance to know about loop and to learn loop structure in any programming, especially we are learning JavaScript, and you will be clear concept of loop because I will provide problems and assignment for your practice and improving JavaScript programming. Anyhow, if you face any problem, any issue while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.